Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jaguar F-Type versus McLaren. The Jaguar F-Type delivers a thrilling drive with engine options up to a 575 horsepower V8, offering a blend of luxury and performance. McLaren, on the other hand, focuses on raw speed, with many models boasting over 600 horsepower from their V8 engines. This translates to incredibly fast acceleration, often reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, providing a truly exhilarating experience. Moving to design, the Jaguar F-Type embodies classic British sports car elegance, featuring sleek lines and a sophisticated profile. Its interior offers a luxurious cabin with premium materials and comfortable seating, perfect for grand touring. McLaren's design is driven by aerodynamics and performance, resulting in a more aggressive, futuristic look. Inside, McLaren cabins are typically driver-focused and minimalist, prioritizing functionality and lightweight materials to enhance the driving experience. When considering cost, the Jaguar F-Type typically starts around $70,000, presenting a compelling option for a high-performance luxury sports car. McLaren vehicles, being true supercars, usually begin at over $200,000, reflecting their specialized engineering and exclusivity. In terms of practicality, the F-Type offers more everyday usability and a bit more cargo space, with the coupe offering up to 14.4 cubic feet, making it a more versatile choice for regular driving compared to the track-focused McLaren. So, which car is right for you? If you desire a luxurious, powerful sports car with a blend of comfort and performance for spirited drives and grand touring, the Jaguar F-Type is an excellent choice. However, if your priority is uncompromising, track-ready performance, exotic design, and the thrill of a true supercar, then a McLaren will undoubtedly deliver. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.